Hello everyone, we are Team Quanta, and this is our project MediCheck AI, an AI-powered medication safety assistant. In real life, when we feel sick, we usually visit a doctor. The doctor checks our condition and writes a prescription. After that, we go to a medical store to buy the medicines. But sometimes, a problem can happen at this stage. The pharmacist may misread the doctor's handwriting, give a similar looking medicine, or the patient may not understand whether the medicine is actually suitable for their health problem. Some people may also have allergies or other health conditions, and they may not know if the medicine is safe for them. A small mistake in medicine can become a serious health risk. So, to reduce this problem, we created MediCheck AI. MediCheck AI helps users verify whether the medicine they are taking matches their health problem, prescription, and allergy profile. Now let me show how the app works. First, the user opens the app and enters their health problem, such as fever, cough, stomach pain, or any other issue. Then the user can scan or upload the medicine image. The app can read medicine details from the image and understand what medicine the user is checking. The user can also upload the doctor's prescription, so the app can compare the prescription with the medicine given by the medical store. After that, the app asks about allergies or important health conditions, because a medicine that is safe for one person may not be safe for another. Once all details are added, MediCheck AI analyzes everything using AI. It checks whether the medicine matches the user's health problem, whether it matches the prescription, whether there may be allergy risks, and whether the user should be careful before taking it. After analysis, the app generates a simple safety report. The report tells the user if the medicine looks aligned with their health problem and prescription. It also highlights possible risks and gives clear recommendations in easy language. For example, if the medicine seems correct, the app can say that it appears aligned, but the user should still follow the doctor's advice. If there is a mismatch or possible risk, the app warns the user and suggests confirming with a doctor or pharmacist before taking the medicine. Our goal is not to replace doctors. Our goal is to create an extra safety layer between the doctor, pharmacy, and patient, so that medicine errors can be reduced. MediCheck AI is especially useful for people who cannot clearly understand prescriptions, people with allergies, elderly patients, and families who want to double-check medicines before use. In the future, we want to improve this app by adding better medicine recognition, barcode scanning, voice input, regional language support, and stronger medical safety checks. With MediCheck AI, we want to make medicine use safer, simpler, and more understandable for everyone. Thank you.